Hello and welcome to the HdM online banking simulation. HdM online banking is a test scenario developed at HdM for research purposes related to usability and accessibility and as part of the European project Cloud for All. In this video I will demonstrate how web content can be made accessible and how it can be personalized. The website can be adapted through the ASpanel controls at the top of the page. This control panel can be built into any web page and is free to use. The ASpanel allows you to adapt the website, so style and other features can be adapted to the needs of the user. For example, there is a slider to adapt the font size and the line height. The values can be changed by simply clicking and moving the slider. The effect is immediately visible on the web page. In addition, it is also possible to change the font face. When the user has problems with the font face or does not like it, they can simply choose a different one. A special feature in the HdM online banking simulation is pictogram support. Pictogram support complements the site's textual content by adding pictograms that make the content easier to understand. Like all other functions, pictogram support can be activated in the ASpanel. When the mouse pointer hovers over words in the text, assistive pictograms will pop up. In order to support hearing impaired users, the HdM online banking simulation has another feature, sign language. This feature adds sign language videos to the content. To demonstrate this, I will log into the transactions page. Input fields now have an icon on their right side. These icons show that the sign language video for the field is available. When the user clicks on the icon, a video will pop up and explain the purpose of the input field in sign language. In addition to the sign language, the user can also select the sign language interpreter. Currently, the site has both sign language avatars and recordings of a human sign language interpreter. The language and the interpreter can be chosen in the ASpanel. The online banking simulation also supports auto-adaptation by using GPII-enabled features. Just plug in a USB stick with your authentication and all the settings of the ASpanel are set to your preferences. Another feature is a simplified user interface that can be loaded automatically for users with special needs. It provides a simpler user interface for the online banking simulation with more graphical information and helpers to make it usable.